Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will cover the difference between constructor overloading and method overloading. And I already create a video for separate video for constructor overloading and method overloading, which link I share in the description box. You can check it out. So let's start now. So first is the definition of constructor overloading, creating multiple way to initialize an object. Example like ordering a pizza. You can order a default cheese pizza or custom pizza with a specific topic. Next is method overloading, creating multiple ways for an object to perform an actions. Example, a pay method. You can pay with cash, credit, card or a QR code. So basically this is the overview and basically this is the definition of the both. Next is the core difference is what is the purpose of constructor overloading to initialize an object within ways, and method overloading purpose is to provide different way to perform a task. Basically the constructor overloading does not return type, but in the method overloading must have a return type. Basically it returns something, but it is not written, never written. The third thing is must match the class name. Constructor name and the class name should be matched, but the method name and the class name should not be matched. Can be any valid name in the method. Fourth is called automatically during new keyword. When we create a object, so the constructor automatically call explicitly using the object name. First we create the object and then using the object we call the method. So basically that is the method overloading. And if the constructor using only create the object, so constructor called, so basically that is the constructor overloading. And we create a object, then using object we create a method, that is the method overloading. So basically this is the important features and we say that important difference between constructor overloading and method overloading. Let's see the example difference between constructor overloading and method overloading. So basically in the constructor overloading, first we create a class student and it have two attribute, first name and second is age. So basically the student default constructor called where the name equal unknown and age equal 0. When we are not create a constructor, so the compiler automatically default constructor create which is invisible. And second is overloaded constructor. Basically in a class, single class, student class have two constructor. First is student which has no parameter and this is a default constructor, and second is student which has two parameters. So basically the both are constructor in a single class, means in a single class have more than one constructor where the construct overloading apply, and we say that where construct overloading happen. So basically this is the example of constructor overloading. And next is method overloading. So in the method overloading we create a class calculator, integer add, integer a, integer b. It take two parameters and its name means function name, we say that method name, and second method name, both method name are same, its return type also same, but here the parameters are different. So basically method overloading is where function names are same but changes in the parameters. So basically this is the method overloading. So this difference are enough for the exam preparation and the interview preparation. I hope you all understand the concept which I learn you, and if you like my video and understand the video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.